Problem students, we continue the remaining problems of definite integration and the areas. So, since okay, we completed yesterday in previous class 30 problems. Now 31. 0 to x f of t dt is equal to x plus x to 1 t f of t dt, then f of 1. So we want to need f of x value. That's why differentiate. That implies by giving the rule f of x into 1 minus this lower limit substitute f of 0 into 0 value 0 is equal to this integration this differentiation 1 plus 1 into that's constant to 0. That's why 0 minus lower limit makes x into f of x into 1. So therefore f of x, take this, shift this side, x into f of x is equal to 1. Take f of x common, 1 plus x is equal to 1. Therefore f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. We want to need that value, f of 1 value 1 by 1 plus 1. Therefore that is 1 by 2. So second option is the correct answer. Next one, limit 0 to infinity to real numbers be a function and f of x 32 f of x is equal to 0 to x f of t dt. Yeah. And one more function given, f of x square is equal to 1 plus x. Right? Now we want f of 4 means we want the value f of x value. So how to find f of x value means differentiate this one. Right? Therefore this is m dash x. F of x into 1 minus 0 limit, right? So therefore this value, therefore we want f of x is equal to m dash x. By the given function, you can write this problem. F of x is equal to function 1 plus x f of x square into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x. So therefore x into 1 plus root x. In place of x, substitute x only. Its differentiation f dash x is equal to uv formula 1 plus okay 1 plus root x into 1 plus x into 0 plus 1 by 2 root x. This is equal to 1 plus root x plus x by 2 root x. So 1 plus root x by 2 substitute here. Then 1 plus root x by 2. There's f of 4. 1 plus square root 4 plus root 4 by 2. 1 plus 2 plus 2 by 2. 1 plus 2 plus 1. So f of 4 value is equal to 4. Right? What is the option? Fourth option is the correct answer. Now this areas concept just this two types. So this is f of x function, means integral. This is nothing but dx Alternate x is equal to a to x is equal to b. How to take a to b f of x dx, or like this. To find out this value, this is nothing but dy. Y is equal to c d. Therefore, c to d x dy, like that. With respect to that x limits or y limits, two types. And next, any negative components come like this one for this a1 and a2. So negative area always positive. Consider this value better to take modulus, right? And next, intersection of two curves. Intersection of two curves. Okay. Intersection of two curves. This is f of x. It will be f of x, and this one is g of x. How to find this area means this is x is equal to a, x is equal to b. Therefore, a to b, f of x minus g of x, or else take modulus g of x minus f of x. So, to between and area between two curves and area of the single curve. So, like this you will find areas. Now, do the 33rd problem. Area of the region bounded by 1 minus y square is equal to mod x. Clear? Okay, this is 1 minus y square is equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0. So this can be written as y square is equal to 1 minus x. This is equal to okay, right. Y square is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, y square is equal to minus of x minus 1. 1 minus y square is equal to minus x if x less than 0. What function? This is equal to y square is equal to x plus 1. Y square is equal to x plus 1. Right? Okay, this is a parabola, like that side open, left side this value. This one parabola open, right side. Vertex setup 1. This is vertex setup minus 1. This can be written as x minus of minus 1. Right? For this curve means suppose if x is equal to 0, y value minus into minus plus, here x is equal to 0, y value is plus or minus 1, and here everything is fine. So like this. Okay, this is equal to x open right side. Here open right side. Next, mod x plus mod y is equal to 1 is the curve. Mod x plus mod y is the 1 is equal to that curve. Clear? So how if x greater than 0, y greater than 0, that is like this. X less than 0, y greater than 0. This one. X less than 0, y less than 0. Like this. X less than 0, y less than 0, that line. So, like this line. First is x is equal, put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So this line is for x plus y is equal to 1. So like 4 quadrants. How to find this area? So this is the finding area. Where? Finding area. So this area, this curves two areas minus these four triangles areas, which shaded area will get. Okay, parabola. Suppose like this. How to find this to this area? This is symmetrical upward area and downward area both are same. Why means this parabola symmetrical x-axis. That's why 2 times of this one like that. Required area is equal to, what is required area? Required area is equal to 2 times of 0 to 1. 0 to 1. This is open left side. This one. Root 1 minus x. That y value. Root of 1 minus x dx plus take modulus. Y means it is better to modulus the area. So this one 2 to minus 1 to 0. This one. So this one x plus 1. Root of x plus 1 dx, right? Minus 4 times 4 triangles half into base into height. 4 triangles half into base into height. So this value is equal to 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 into 2 0 to 1. So modulus plus 2 of x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 1 to 0 minus 2. This is equal to 4 by 3. This value put upper limit 1 minus 1 0, lower limit 1 minus 0 1 power 3 by 2 is equal to 1 plus this also 4 by 3. Put upper limit 0 plus 1 1 power 3 by 2. So 1, lower limit 0, therefore into 1 minus 2. 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 minus 2. 8 by 3 minus 2. So total 2 by 3. 6 minus 8 minus 6, 2 by 3. So which of is correct answer? So then the value is equal to second half is the correct answer. Right. Next one 34 into directly that x is equal to 2 to 4. 34 from 2 to 4 y dx. 2 to 4 y dx. Y value given already by curve 5. Right. Next one 35. The area, the intercepts on x-axis made by the tangent given curve. Y is equal to 0 to x root to t dt, root to t dt. This curve parallel to y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to x line. This curve tangent is parallel to this one. So tangent line parallel to this one, these slopes are equal. So to find slope, differentiate this one. dy by dx is equal to x mod x into 1 minus 0. This is value 0. dy by dx is equal to mod x. So this dy by dx and this slope equal. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2. Y means these curve tangents parallel to this line. Two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. dy by dx value is equal to mod x is equal to x is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, we need to y coordinates also. So how to substitute y coordinate? So first of all y1 0 to 2. Sorry, 0 to plus or minus 2. Sorry, plus or minus 2. 0 to 2 t. So 0 to 2 means that is positive value. 0 to 2 t dt. Therefore, this is equal to t square by 2, 0 to 2, 4 by 2. This value is equal to 1 point is 2 comma 2 when x is equal to 2. Next point 0 to minus 2. This value is 0 to 2 dt. So that implies minus value 0 to minus 2 t dt. Therefore, minus of t square by 2, 0 to minus 2. This value is equal to how much? This value is equal to minus 2. Point is equal to minus 2 when minus 2. Now you find tangents. What is tangents? Equation y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. Y minus y1. So for this point, y minus y1 is equal to dy. Slope is equal to 2 of x minus 2. Y minus 2, 2x minus 4. So 2x minus y is equal to 2. So intercepts. A line makes x-intercept means suppose it meets x-axis, so y coordinate 0. So this value is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Meet axis. Second tangent. Y minus this point. At this point, y plus 2, 2 of x plus 2, y plus 2, 2x plus 4. Then 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. This also meet x-axis will get x-intercept. So then also this value 0. I 0 that implies 2x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1. What are the x-intercepts? Plus or minus 1. Right? So that is the fourth option is the correct answer. Next problem 36. Y is equal to root x and another curve line is 2y minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. In this line, 2y is equal to x minus 3, y is equal to x minus 3 by 2, right? Draw the graph. Put x is equal to 0, what is this one? Or else put x is equal to 1, 1 minus 3 by 2, minus 1. At 1, minus 1. At 3, 0. At 5, 1. Okay. At 5, 1. At 7 minus 3, 4, 2. At 9, 3. So next, this at 0, minus 3 by minus 1 point. This one. So this is the line. This is the line. Now, y is equal to root x. Y is equal to root x. Put x is equal to 0, 0. And 1 is equal to 1. And next, 9. Root 9, 3. So this is the area. And they ask what is the question? The area bounded by the curves y is equal to root x and 2y minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. X axis. Only x axis. You want this area. Okay, clear? So just take the limits of this side 0 to 3, 0 to 3. Okay, 0 to 3. This line area minus 0 to 3. This curve area, subtract this, you get this area. So therefore 0 to 3, this line area. This line means what is this line? X minus 2y. X minus problem. Alright, here is there. X is equal to 2y plus 3. 2y plus 3. If we want means take minus no problem. Minus y1 minus this term. This term x dy. This is equal to x is equal to y square. Therefore y square dy. So where I am with the y axis, that is x dy. So like this is. Therefore, what is this integration? 2 into y square by 2, 0 to 3, plus 3 of y, 0 to 3, y cube by 3, 0 to 3. This value. Okay. Right outside. So then, if you to cancel, this value 9 minus 0 plus 3 of 3 minus 0, and this value 27 by 3 minus 0. Therefore 9 plus 9 minus 27 by 3. So 9 18. 18 into 3 minus 27 by 3. What is this value? 18 please. 54 minus 27. So 27 by 3 is equal to 9. 9 is the answer. Fourth option is the correct answer. 9 square units. Right? 9 square units. The area bounded by 37 problem. The area bounded by the curve x is equal to 4 minus y square and y axis and y axis. Okay, right. What are the values? What are these limits on y axis? Put x is equal to 0. What is the y value? Put x is equal to 0 means on y axis. Put x is equal to 0. 4 minus y square. Y is equal to plus or minus 2. So here 2, here 2. In this case, y is equal to 0. Here this value is equal to like this. Graph is like this one. Okay. Minus 2 to 2, 2, and that is x divided. Find out that value. Or else, sorry, y is equal to this is 4. Or else that side, or else 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Y value means 4 minus x under square root dx. Okay, find out this value. Next, 38. Next problem. 38. The area of the region enclosed by the curves y is equal to x. Y is equal to x passing through the origin like this. Next, x is equal to e. X is equal to approximately that value. This is 1, 2, 2. This is 3. 2 points something like this. So this is x is equal to e 1 to 2 points something like that. X value. That's why. Parallel to y axis. Next, y is equal to 1 by x. Y is equal to 1 by x. Suppose y is equal to 1 by x means x is equal to 0, not defined case. So this is like this. 1 means 1. 1. Okay. 0.1. So like this graph at 1. So 0 means it's not the 0 infinity. At 2 means 1 by 2, 0.1, like this one. So until this one 0 to 1, this is the triangle area. Okay, so the triangle area means half into 1 into 1, clear, plus 1 to this value 1 to e, which come, this is called 1 by x. Therefore this value is equal to 1 by 2 plus log x 1 by x integration log x 1 by 2 log x 1 to e. Therefore log into the base e log 1. So finally 1 by 2, this value same base 1, log 1 value 0. So that implies 3 by 2 is the answer. 3 by 2 is the square root. Third option is the factors, 38. Okay, next to 39, try 40. The area of the region bounded by x square is equal to 4y and y is equal to 1 comma 4. This also easy. So like this one for x square is equal to 4y at origin, y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. Area bounded by this one. Find out. Okay. Next one, the area included between the curves y square is equal to 41. Y square is equal to 2x, open right side. X square is equal to 2y, open like this. So point of intersection one is 0 comma 0. We want this point of intersection. How to find? One is this is y square is equal to 2x, and this one is x square is equal to 2y. Find out intersection point. So this is the area. Okay. Either this side, y-axis side, or x-axis side, you want to get it, no problem. So you want this one in place of y square. In place of y square, you take x square y2 is equal to y. Therefore, y square is equal to x power 4 by 4 is equal to 2x. Therefore, x power 4 into 8x. Take this side, x power 4 minus 8x is equal to 0. X comma x cube minus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x cube is equal to 8, x is equal to 2. Right? So in place of we want this point, in place of anyone, y square x equal to y square is equal to 2. Therefore 2 comma 2, 0 comma 0. What is area? 0 to 2. This curve area. One take modulus r answer. This value is equal to root 2x. Root 2x minus this value x square by 2. So means this is equal to 0 to 2 y1 minus y2 dx. So you want modulus this dx. Okay, solve this one, get answer. Next ellipse, area of the region containing the origin and bounded by the ellipse. X square by 4 plus y square by 3 is equal to 1 and its lattice rectum. Lattice rectum is equal to, what is lattice? So this is the lattice rectum passing through the focal a comma 0. This is minus a comma 0. You know the relation of the ellipse. What is the relation? A square is equal to c square plus b square. So that implies a square, c square means a square plus b square. Therefore take this side. A square minus a square b square is equal to b square. A square common. 1 minus e square is equal to b square. Therefore, 1 minus e square is equal to b square by a square. E square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So, e square value is equal to 1 minus b square value, 4 by 3. So, that implies here. So, this one, that side and this side, okay, a square. B square value is 3, a square 4. So, 1 by 4. So, e is equal to 1 by 2. So, what they ask? They ask, and its lattice rectum, area of the region containing the origin and bounded by the ellipse. So, this is the area to find. So, therefore, what is the value? 0 to AE value. A means 4. AE is equal to 4 into E value 1 by 2. That implies 2. So, therefore, same value 0 to 2. 0 to 2 and AE. Okay. A square 4, A value 2 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay, these are 4 parts. Here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 are equal parts. Only this means 2 parts, 4 parts. 4 into this area. What is the color of this one? We want anyone. Consider x. Y square by 3 is equal to 1. 1 minus x square by 4. Y square by 3 is equal to 4 minus x square by 4. Y square is equal to 3 by 4. 4 minus x square. Y is equal to root 3 by 2. 4 minus x square. Right? This area is equal to 4 into 0 to 1. Root 3 by 2. 4. 2 square minus x square. Therefore, A is equal to 4 root 3 by 2. 0 to 1. 2 square minus x square. You know formula. A square minus x square. You know formula. Right here. Integration A square minus x square is equal to x by 2 root of A square minus x square plus A square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus. This is the formula for this. Apply this one. A plus 2 square minus x square. You get answer. Okay, students. Right. This is the relation we learned in the first year. Okay, students, we will do remain the 2 problems in the next class. Solve these homework problems. Thank you.